this whatever is has used to be dumped into these.
But it flush it into the sea.
Into sea.
But it's untreated waste.
Untreated. So this is what has happened, that out of this, there are 40 nalas which are taking this, besides my own treatment plants also. So the treatment plants are
grown
there.
a lot in the last 40 years.
So what you're saying is that
we could not still have the same system.
You have treatment plants for the official waste, and then you have unaccounted for waste in 40 nalas which is not being treated.
Yes, it is not the official waste. It is not the official waste. It is the waste that
all is official.
Because if I come to the figures, the Karachi produces around 360 to 400 million gallons of wastewater daily.
That's right.
But, and it's untreated.
And you are only treating about 90 million gallons.
And we are just treating 90 million gallons, and the rest all goes into the sea. Now this carries the home sewerage, it
industrial
carries industrial waste, and it also carries a lot of this waste that is solid waste,
like polythene bags.
This water can be treated if funds would be available.
Of course,
fund would be given. Because I read about certain cities, certain metropolitan cities, that
which
they almost
exist entirely on
97% of the this water sewerage is
reused in the system. Of course,
so we are polluting.
So basically, yes. I think it is the idea, and for this purpose, one of my sewage treatment plant, we are already carrying out a negotiation. We have almost formalized and got it approved from Government of Sindh with VA Tech is a firm which is going to recycle this wastewater for the industrial use in the site area.
But you're only treating 90 million gallons. So how many plants do you need? How many more plants do you need?
Yes, in my view, we need at this moment 2 more plants. I will just tell you. I will just tell you.
The capacity.
One is the major place from where this water is getting into the sea is Mali River, where we require very badly a sewage treatment plant. The second component is this whatever sewage is going into the Lahari River, that has to be now it has to be redirected to the major Maripur.
We are talking about 205 million gallons.
But you're saying 2
of
so
sewage. I mean, whereas in 3 treatment plants we are only treating 90 million gallons. We've got another 200 and some million gallons.
So that's
left.
what I'm saying. Out of this, the major component goes either into Mali River or it is the.
So you think two sewage plants?
No, I'm just saying. One at Korangi, and we need to first of all redirect whatever is getting into nalas into the existing treatment plants, and upgrade this treatment plant number 3. That is what at Maripur, just increase its capacity and increase the capacity of Mahmoodabad. But then yes, we do require areas treatment plants like at Orangi Nala, at Gojar Nala. So there are various places, smaller plants. But this, first of all, we should focus on the major one. But what is happening is that we cannot put everything onto the hand of the government to take on. And I think if we agree, and if the elected leadership, if they help us out, that is, they involve this public-private partnership, where they come in, and then and it is taken as a commercial product, then definitely we'll come up with a solution. The government all by own or the institution all by own, it will not be possible for me. If an area is there and I give this on a contract management and look after the system, they'll come up and they earn more. They give me also. But they give
privatization.
It's not privatization.
Another very interesting question is that within 10 years, Karachi population is going to cross about 20 million.
Well, you've got to talk to the population planning department.
Do you think that Karachi Water Board can provide for the 2 million people, 20 million people after 10 years? Are you in position of now?
No, not of today. No. But we will have to come up with the other solutions, and this is what we are working for. And probably we'll require more water from Indus for Karachi, and that is what we'll
Unfortunately, we're out of time, but it looks like although we have mega problems in this mega city, there are solutions that are available. We just need the political will to see them through. Brigadier Iftikhar Haider, Pasha Muraj, Dr. Tanveer Ahmed, and Kanwar Khalid Yunus, thank you very much for being here today on 24/7, and thank you all for joining us. If you have an opinion or would like to be on the show, please write into us at 24/7@businessclass.tv. Until next time, goodbye from the team at 24/7.